Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to make how to preserve fish, so stay tuned. So in starting to preserve this fish, I bought 5 kilo of ice fish. So I had to wash it off and pull out all the things that are not supposed to be there, and I broke the fishes. You can see it's not like, because why I did this is for a purpose, so that it can dry very well, not the kind of one, because there's this one I didn't open it very well, and it dried, but inside was not very dry. So that is why I decided to break. You can see the way I break them, and then I decided to placing them in this dehydrating machine. So right now I'll be placing the fish in the dehydrating machine. It has 5 steps, so I'll be placing them till maybe how many steps it contains. What is important is that I did it. Now I am done with it. So right away, the next thing I am going to be doing is just to on the dehydrating machine. You can use this to dehydrate anything, your veggies, peppers, carrots, beans, and so on and so forth. So now I will leave it there. I started in the evening anyway, so I leave it overnight, and the next 2 days or 3 days before you can see the fishes has dried up, and now I'm going to off it. And the next thing I'm going to do is just to be placing out the the fishes that are just dehydrated, are just dried. You can see how it looks. This is naturally the fish, you understand. I have not put anything, just the fish. You can see how it is. It has dried very well. You can, even if you touch it, you feel the strongness of the fish. So the next thing I'll be doing is to be transferring it into my plate, where I will start the next step. So you can see how it has dried, taking away the whole liquid in the fish. In this way I store this fish. I do store my fishes, you understand, my fish. I do store it this way and leave it for how many months to last. So I'll be placing them out now, one after the other, and then move on to the next step. But meanwhile, if you are seeing me coming to the channel for the first time, you're welcome. You can see the subscribe button there that says subscribe. Click on the bell, click on the subscribe button. At the same time, remember to click on the bell. I upload videos every week, so stay tuned to this channel. Then I'm done now. Let's go back to our video. I'm done bringing them out. I just brought this part and leave the remaining. The next step I am going to be doing right now is to add in my oil in the preservation step, because with oil you can preserve anything. You can preserve anything with oil. So all I do is just a little of oil like this, and I will use my brush and be brushing in the oil into the fish, so that it will remain fresh like this till when you want to use it to prepare your meal. This fish has not been cooked. I didn't cook it before drying it, you know. There is this one I did before. I cooked before drying. So but before I could know what is happening, I have finished the fish. I have finished the fish. So I prefer to do it this way, so that I can curtail my throat, you know. So we all cannot do these things. So so right now I am going to be oiling it, passing the brush and the oil into the fish. In that way it will last. Yes, that's why I'm doing it like this. That's what I will be doing in the whole fish. So that is it. Yeah, so keep watching. So right now I am done oiling the whole fish. I have oiled everything, both front and back, every corner, every angle. And next thing I'm going to be doing is to pour them into this nylon bag. And I wanted to use container as well. I don't know if it will contain the container I have, so I just have to. What is important is that it will remain fresh like this. You can see how shiny it is. It will remain fresh like this. Even 1 year, this fish will remain like this. So even if you have cooked your fish before you do this, it's the same. What is important is that it has preserved your fish. So I'll be adding it into the nylon bag. In that way I can preserve. The one I did before, there is this one I did before, I did not add the oil, and I just preserve it as in I just dehydrated it and packed them like I'm doing now. But when after some weeks I went into and see some, should I say mucus, should I say those green stuff that used to form. So I saw those things. I was a bit disappointed. So I said, it was my fault too. I would have oiled it, because I know with oil you can preserve anything with oil. Yes, it's a natural conservative. So I decided that will be the first and last. So I started using oil, and since I've started using oil, it remains the same. So I just decided to say, okay, why can't I share this idea with you guys, my viewers? So I think it will be helpful. That is why I just chose to make this video, just to let you know at times these things, we let things happen when it's not supposed to happen, because we don't have the ideas. So I just decided to share this with you guys. I believe it will be helpful to you or to someone out there. So now I'm packing them into my bag, and the next thing, just after packing them, I'll just tie it off, and that is the end of the whole thing. So you don't need to stress yourself in things like this. So that is it. So that is it. If you find this video interesting, please share to your loved ones, because I believe it might be helpful to someone out there. That is my purpose of sharing it with you guys, and that is it, because my aim is for us all to grow together, because we are here to share our ideas. We are here to share our ideas, and that is why I'm here, for your growth as well. That is why I'm here on YouTube. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget, do give me the like button. At the same time, comment below and let me know what you think about this fish preservation. And if there is any other idea you feel like you can share with me, feel free to let me know in the comment section, or better still, you can email us at imaschefrecipes@gmail.com. So I'm so grateful to have you all. Thank you for staying tuned, and do have a wonderful Christmas celebration, and bye.